Hi guys, this is Vanryn. Welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for an image to animation generator that's free and unlimited? Well, I got your back. Today I'm going to introduce you to Meta AI. So let's head over to Google and search Meta AI. Click this one. Welcome to Meta AI. So on this side, you can see your recent prompts or history. Now in this portion right here, this is where you type your prompts or just put keywords and Meta will do the rest. For example, flower. And when you're done with your prompts or keywords, hit images and you can choose your sizes. For example, if you want square, portrait, or landscape. Now we'll choose portrait. And if you're done, hit this up button. And wait for a couple of seconds. And here it goes. So pretty, right? Now here's the cool part. Like I said earlier, you can animate these photos. Okay? Just click animate. Wait for a couple of seconds. And boom, here it goes. So if you want to download it, just click this download sign right here and you can automatically download your animation. This animation lasts for about 4 seconds. Yeah, it's short but still super useful if you're making content. And the best part, of course, it's free and unlimited. So next up, let's talk about the style. So Meta AI gives you options for style, the moods, lighting, and color. So it's totally up to your creativity. So let me show you a few examples so you can see how it works. So we're gonna use this same keyword, flower. Now, how about if we'll combine realistic and let's use mode gothic. And then the lighting is misty. And then the color is warm. Spooky. Okay, let's animate it. Wow, it's so nice, right? So again, if you want to download it, just click this download icon right here and it will download automatically. And by the way guys, keep in mind that AI isn't perfect. Sometimes the results can look like a little off or not exactly what you imagined, but that's normal, okay? And you can always try different prompts, styles, or settings to get better results. So that's it for today's tutorial, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.